Welcome to our Dash Cam showcase. Today, we'll explore the top dash cams available on Amazon. Discover how these devices can enhance your driving experience by providing reliable footage and advanced features. Let's dive in. This high-end dash cam features SEC front and championship rear recording, AT connectivity for cloud services, and a supercapacitor for better durability. Its excellent video quality and remote access make it a premium choice. Known for its 1080p HD resolution and 180-degree field of view, this compact dash cam includes voice control, automatic incident detection, and GPS logging. It also offers cloud storage via the Garmin Drive app. This dash cam offers 1080p HD recording, GPS tracking, and a 7-inch touchscreen. It includes an emergency SOS feature and Alexa compatibility, providing added safety and convenience on the road. The Vantrue USA provides front, rear, and interior coverage, making it ideal for comprehensive recording. It features SEC front camera resolution, infrared night vision, and a supercapacitor for improved heat resistance and longevity. This affordable dash cam offers front and rear cameras with championship resolution, wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, and a Sony Starvis image sensor for enhanced night vision. It includes a sensor for automatic recording during impacts and supports up to 256 GB of storage.